Can a New York employer fire an employee for premarital sex? That's a topic that's on the minds of a lot of employers because of the Dave Ramsey situation in Tennessee. I'm Nancy Schick of 30-Year Conflict Resolution, and this is not the first time that Dave Ramsey's been in one of my videos. If you're interested, I did a video back in December about what to do when role models err. And bottom line is, I like Dave's work. It's helped me a lot. I also just have a couple of degrees of separation from him. So I'm not here to judge him, but I am here to kind of invite you to take a look at some of the considerations when you're having situations like this, because some of you might be questioning whether you have religious exceptions to certain things that you do in your business. That's a hot topic for people these days. It's in the Supreme Court a lot. And so I'm going to give you a few things that you can work through. My role, for those of you that don't know, is to mediate, coach, and train. So employers, there are a few of you who want to take advantage of these exceptions, but you're not really sure if you have them. So some of the things that you want to look at if you're going to claim a religious exception to the laws protecting employees from sex, pregnancy, and family status discrimination are very similar to what I talk about in my other videos about managing LGBTQ workers and other workers. So I'm not going to give you, again, legal advice in this. I'm going to invite you to go before that. These are the conversations you want to have before you sit down with your lawyer. You want to start looking into where you stand on these issues to make sure that before you take a stand and go to court, that you're really firm on what you believe. So first, you want to explore why this issue is important to you. Second, what does this have to do with the essential functions of the job? And third, something that's going to start coming up in more of these cases, if you're claiming a religious exception, are all sins created equally? Because I can tell you, if I am the person that's litigating that case and taking that forward and you have to defend against me, I'm going to be looking at every single sin in the Bible and make sure you treat every single person in your employ the same when they sin and you find out about it. So you want to think about all of that, right? Because that's how it's probably going to play out in court. And again, this is not legal advice. This is just some general information of what you need to consider. I have a course online if you're still kind of unsure of what your values are in your business. It's a nice little $5 course that I put up, and I'm donating half of the proceeds to the restaurant industry still. I put that up during COVID last year, and I'm still doing the fundraising on it. I also am doing my 30-minute free breakthrough call if you want to talk one-on-one. And in the meantime, keep listening with your third ear for those hurts you can heal.